Okay, so before I can put the window back together, I've got to clean these threads. And this is the deal. These are so fun. Doing it through the camera. Alright. I just think this is a pretty amazing piece of plastic. Yeah, it's all polished, all the edges are polished and everything. Fits around the window just to make a little trim. It's installed on the inside, so all you're going to see is just that red edge against the clear plastic. And then the window goes over it and is secured by the little nuts, just like factory. And the initial effect is nothing. Why did he go through so much trouble? But the thing is lit up from inside with the lights, and the light catches the edges. The flat part of that red. It's going to lay down some light. It's going to want to come up this polished edge. Very nice. So next on the agenda is fine-tuning the edge of that water block and cleaning it up. And I just want to make sure that when I put the blacktop in there, the gasket and everything, that everything looks beautiful. And there's still some sort of cleaning and whatnot to be done here. Still tape on there, polymer tape, and got a ways to go still. So I'm going to dial in both of these water blocks now. More on that in a bit.